said, how are you feeling about the celebration? And this is basically what he said.
You're supposed to get cured again.
Just like this, I literally danced it like that.
Everybody dances over there.
Oh, yeah, we could do that. We could do that. I mean, you and I both know, because we've been doing this a long time, that my pots and pans happens to be the best thing that's out here. It's an amazing sound.
Hey.
Especially with the China.
You're watching this.
Oh, hey!
We are
The Eco-Rhythmic! Ha! Woo! Yeah. You're gonna love this first song.
Play some songs.
All right. 1, 2,
3, 4.
Yep, you got it. I want to be like you. That's the name of the song. I want to be like you. The very necessity. All right, take it up. Big finale. Here we go. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. My name is Xavier, but I like to go by Reuse because I love taking used objects, turn them into musical instruments. I love building things. I love making the world a better place. And by the way, that ain't Eurythmics.
Yeah.
It's my idea.
It's true. Sure was.
It
Sure
is
was.
true. I can't help it.
My name is Anthony, but I like to go by Reduce because I'm all about reducing waste. I'm also a musician and drummer, and I'm super passionate about our group, There You Go Rhythmics.
Yeah, so am I. Hey everyone, I'm Sammy, but I prefer my nickname, Recycle. And that's because I like finding unused things and giving them new purpose. I also happen to be a conservationist and a musicologist. Reduce and I, oh, we go way back.
Way back.
Last century, way back. We met at a conservation convention, discovered we were like-minded, been together ever since.
Yep. All right, we'll do that.
Way back. Like I said, way back.
You weren't even born, how do you know?